Clickup Project Management. How to use Clickup for projects. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can use clickup.com to manage your projects and much more. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is just come to clickup.com and sign up for free. You can go for a free version of Clickup. Clickup is an amazing platform that allows you to manage your task, and you can actually manage your business and everyday task as well. So what happens on Clickup is that you simply sign up and then you have your own workspace, and in that workspace you can do a lot. This is the dashboard. This is my workspace that I just created on Clickup, and I will show you how you can actually create different tasks and boards and what else you can do with Clickup to manage your team better, and what are the different features that clickup.com offers. So before we get into the dashboard for Clickup, let's go to the pricing real quick so I can give you an idea that how much you are going to pay for clickup.com. So you can see right here, this is the pricing for Clickup. It is a free version that is free forever. That is pretty good, and you get 100 MB storage, unlimited task, unlimited members, and email in Clickup, and much more. There are many other options as well that you are getting. For example, native time tracking and 24/7 support. Then we have a plan which is $5 per user per month, and it gives you unlimited storage, unlimited integrations, unlimited dashboards, guest with permissions, and unlimited custom fields. Then we have a plan which is $9 per month, and it gives you unlimited teams, unlimited options, unlimited automations, unlimited time tracking, and much more. Then we have a plan which is $19, and it gives you everything in business and team sharing, custom role, custom permissions, and priority support as well. And then there is a custom plan which you can actually customize, and then you pay for it. So these are the plans for clickup.com. You can check it out. If you want to go for a free version that I am using, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to build a team and pay $5 per person, then you can choose this plan, or you can go with any of the plans. So when you have chose a plan, you have started with Clickup, then you will land on this dashboard right here. So right now I am at the dashboard for clickup.com. This is what you will get when you sign up for Clickup. So let's get started and create our task. So in order to create task, you actually have a lot of options. For example, I can create a new task in this list with this plus icon which says create task, or I can click right here, new task, or I can go ahead and add a new task from here as well. So let's add a task from here. All of these actually do the same thing. So how you create a task, simple. So here we can actually add our new task. What you have to do is select a list, whatever list you have created. For example, if you want to create a new list, you can just create it from here. If you are going with any of the previous list, for example, this one for video tutorials, or I can just go ahead and create a new one which is going to be called test, and I will select this one. Then you have to add the description for the task. First of all, let's give it a name, and I'm going to call it task 1. There you go. Then you can add assignees if you want to. Whichever member you want to add as an assignee, you will simply add them right here, and after that you simply add the description. In the description you can add whatever you want to. You can upload files, or you can add links as well. For the description, let's just go with this for now. There you go. Then you can actually add a subtask as well in this task if you have any, and then you can attach different documents if you want to. Then we have the option of set date, we have the estimate task, then we have template, and we have dependency, and then watchers. So let's go with set dates and add date for this task right here. So let's add a due date, and it is going to be tomorrow, and we'll simply close that. And now we have a due date for tomorrow. I can actually add estimated time. For example, if I want to add, for example, 5 hours, and I will simply enter. Now the estimated time is 5 hours. If I want to add a template for this one, I can just go ahead and create a new template or load from different templates that are already available. That totally depends on you, that if you want to get more creative with it. So for now I'm gonna leave with the template. So I have added all of this information. Simply click on create task, and your task is created. You can see right here, this is the task that I just created. Now this was a long way of creating a task, you can just simply go ahead and click right here, new task, and you can give it a name, which is going to be task 2, and then you can add the time and date, everything from here as well. Simply click on save and another task will be added. So this is how you add different tasks to your list on ClickUp. Super easy. Then there is a drag and drop system in which you can actually drag this one and you can just put it here in any other list and any other task where you want to. So you just, do this. After that, you have the other options. For example, home notification, show more spaces. If you want to create a new space, you simply click right here. You give your space a name. For example, I can call it test space, and I will simply click on next, and then you have to choose the color for your space, whatever you want to choose. For example, we can go with yellow, or you can actually go with any of the logo if you want to. Simply click on next. Then you can choose if it is your private space or it is going to be your workspace. It is going to be my private one, so I will simply click on next. Then you add different status, for example, to do, and in the to do I can add a status which can be in progress, and I will simply click on OK, and then I can just give it a color. So once you have added all the information for your space, and you can actually have all of these different templates that involve marketing and content as well. So you can add different templates, then you add different status. Once you have done all of this, you simply click on next. So once you do that, now you can actually add different options that you get on ClickUp. This is pretty good. The priority option, that each task is characterized according to its priority. You can just go ahead and choose this one: email, custom fields, time tracking, tags, and multiple assignees. So these are the different features that I will get in my space. So I will simply click on next. Then it is for me to review my space. I will actually add the calendar as well, activity. Let's go with table view as well, and workload, timeline, and let's go with Gantt as well. So I have checked in all of these. Okay, let's go with map as well, and mind map too. So these are the different features that I want in my workspace. So I will simply click on review space, and when I do that, now you will see that this is how I will get all of these different options in my workspace. So I will simply click on create space. So this is how you create a space. Now this is the space that I just created in front of you, and now you can go ahead and add different lists. For example, I simply click on create list, and I can add a list name, which is going to be to do. There you go. Now these are the list view. I can go with the board view. From here, there are many views that you get on ClickUp. You can go with the list view, you can go with the board view, you can go with a calendar view, which will actually show you all of your different tasks according to different dates right here on this calendar. So this is pretty good. You don't have to integrate a calendar on ClickUp because ClickUp has its own calendar for you. So that is pretty good. Then we have the option of timeline and activity as well, where you can actually check your activity, and you can check out the activity status for different tasks and different workspaces that you are working on. So these are the different features that you get on ClickUp. If I go to my workspace that I was working on before, okay, there it is. We created different tasks right here. If I want to go and add a new view to my already existing space, I will simply go to view, and I can now add as many view as I want to. For example, I can go with the board view or calendar. This one does not have a calendar view, so I will simply click on calendar, and I will add view. So now I have a calendar view right here, and I will be able to see it. So you can add as many views as you want to. Then if you want to share your workspace, you simply click on share, and you will be able to do so. Then again, if I click right here, you will be able to see all of the features that ClickUp actually offers: record, clip, track time, reminder, notepad, new documents, calendar, and task. Create new document allows you to add as many documents as you want to, and you can add different files to your ClickUp. You simply pin it from here, and it is pinned right here. For example, I can pin my notepad right here, and then I can pin my calendar as well. So you can pin these different tasks right here from this option. So ClickUp is an amazing platform that allows you to work very efficiently, and it allows you to manage your teams very easily and be productive. You can use ClickUp for big companies and very big businesses. It is pretty good for 500 users or 100 users per month, and the pricing plan is also pretty reasonable. So you can just go ahead and sign up for clickup.com, and then you will be able to manage your team better. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to manage your team better with clickup.com. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.